Hello and welcome to part 2 of this 3-part installment of the Hero's Journey Archetype video notes. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched the Departure Stage video notes, because this video is actually focusing on the second stage of the Hero's Journey Archetype, which is the Initiation Stage. During the Initiation Stage, our hero has left their world and they have begun training to meet their destiny. They don't know how to do it yet, so they need to go through some process of learning how to become the hero that they are meant to be. The first step in the initiation stage is called the Road of Trials. This is when our hero goes through a series of challenges in order to start getting stronger or getting smarter or better and more equipped to become the hero that they were meant to be. So you'll notice in this box, I have 4 different bullet points that all say challenge. Now this doesn't mean that your hero needs to go through exactly 4 challenges. This simply means that your hero is going to go through several challenges, and you decide how many challenges your hero needs to go through in order to begin showing development. So during this road of trials, you need to think, what does my hero need to do in order to meet their destiny? What problems are they going to face on the way? Who is going to help them? And who is going to get in their way? Now, when you're developing your road of trials, you want to also think of ways to make sure that your hero struggles in some way. These challenges should not be easy for your hero. They could get frustrated, they could fail, but nevertheless they will push on and continuing trying to get smarter, stronger, and better. Now during this process, they're going to experience some doubt. They might think this is too much, this is too hard for them. So between the road of trials and the experience of unconditional love, you want to establish your hero losing their way in some way. So either they can doubt themselves and think that they won't be able to do it, or maybe as they're going through the trials, their ego gets too big and they become overly confident and lose their way and forget what they were intending to do in the first place. It's at this stage in the story that our hero will have an experience with unconditional love. This is when a hero's friend or family member or someone who means something to them comes back into their life in some way and shows support for our hero. They let them know, hey, it's okay, you can do it, I believe in you, that sort of thing that helps our hero get back on track. So you have to think, who is going to show support that I introduced at the beginning of the story for my hero? And do I want it to be a conversation? Do I want them to find a letter or a gift that they've given them or a piece of clothing or other kind of memorabilia? In what way is my hero going to be reminded of who they once were and what their true goals of the story are? Now, the next point is very important. This is called the ultimate boon. And another way to say ultimate boon is ultimate boost. This is something that our hero has been missing while they have been going through the initiation stage. It can be something tangible, like a secret weapon, or it could be something within themselves, like confidence or acceptance, something that our hero needs in order to be officially initiated or ready to take on their heroic challenge in the end. So as they're going through their road of trials, you want to get your hero almost all the way there, but leave out some essential missing piece. Something that once they get it, their success is all but inevitable. Meaning, they are going to succeed once they find this missing piece. So at this point now, in your flow map, you should begin thinking, what are the challenges that my hero is going to face? Are they going to doubt themselves or become overly confident? Who is going to show them support, and how are they going to do it? And what is their missing piece? What is the last thing that they need in order to eventually become successful?